Good morning, students. Exercise 13.2, question number 2. In this question, it has given it is required to make a closed cylindrical tank of height 1 meter and base diameter 140 centimeter. So first base diameter, that is 140 centimeter. So radius 140 by 2 divided, which is equal to 70 centimeter. Now height is given in meter, so change the centimeter into meter. That's why divided by 100, so which is equal to 0.7. Now you have to find total surface area of the tank, that is cylindrical tank. So that formula 2 pi r plus h. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 0.7. So 0.7 plus 1, that is 0.1. So 44 into 0.1, add this one, which is equal to 1.7. Now multiply this 3 by multiplying this one, this to 4.4 into 1.7. Now multiply 4.4 with 1.7, that is equal to 7.48 liters. So answer 7.48 metal sheet is required to make the closed cylindrical tank. Now question number 3. In this question, a metal pipe of 77 centimeter long, inner diameter of cross section is 4 centimeter and outer diameter is given 4.4 centimeter. So in this question, you have to find number 1, inner curved surface area, outer curved surface area, and then find total surface area. So number 1, inner radius, as in this question that diameter has given, so 4 by 2, 2 centimeter, and height has given, that is 77 centimeter. Now first you have to find inner curved surface area. So inner curved surface area, 2 pi RH, 2 into pi value 22 by 7, R is 2, H is 77. Now multiply 2 with 22 with 2 into 11. So 2 into 22 into 2 into 11. That is 968 centimeter. So inner curved surface area 968 centimeter square. Outer radius at outer one, that diameter is given, that is 4.4. So outer radius 4.4 by 2, that is 2.2 centimeter. Height was that same, so height equal to 77 centimeter. So outer curved surface area 2 into 22 by 7 into R into H, that is 77. So 2 into 22 into 2.2 into 11. Now multiply all these 4. So 2 into 22, that is 44, into 11 into 2.2, so 1064.80 centimeter square. Now in third part of the question, total surface area total surface area, the total surface area inner curved surface area plus outer curved surface area. The sum of these two, inner curved surface area plus outer curved surface area. Nine six eight plus 1064.80. Now add these two. And this portion is also required, that is shape. So plus pi, this shape is like a ring, so there is outer radius minus inner radius, so pi r square, this one 2.2 square minus 2 square, so plus 22 by 7 into 2.2 plus 2, 2.2 minus 2. Now add this 2 first. Point 80. 2032.80 plus 22 by 7 into 4.2 plus 2. Now divide 4.2 by 7, that is 0.6. So 2032.80 plus 22 into 1.2. So 2032.80 plus, multiply this 2. To 26.4. So that side, two sides are shape of ring. So inner curved surface area plus outer curved surface area, that is for one side, multiply with 2. This gives you two sides, and also multiply 2 into 2. $52.8. Now 2032.80 plus 52.8. The total surface area, inner curved surface area plus outer curved surface area plus two rings, one is both sides of these two one. So area of ring is pi, outer radius square minus inner radius square. So two rings are there, so 2 pi 2.2 square minus 2 square. So this one is a square minus b square, which is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So now add it 2.2 with 2, that is equal to 4.2. Divide that 4.2 by 7, 0.6. Now subtract these two, which is equal to 0.2. Now multiply these four numbers, which is equal to 5.28. So 22, 2 into in 0.6.12, so 0.12, which is equal to 2.64 into, by multiplying 22 with 12, 2.64 multiply with 2, so 2032.80 plus 5.28. So 2038.08 centimeter square. The next question, sum number 4. The diameter of a roller is 84 centimeter and length is 120 centimeter. That is given in question. It takes 500 complete revolutions to move once over a level to level a playground. So you have to find the area of the playground in meter square. So as diameter of the roller is given, so first to find radius. (84/2) 42 centimeter. As you have to find that one in meter square, so change that one into meter. So 0.42 meter. So length, that means height, is, that is also in centimeter. So change that one into meter. So divided by 100, which is equal to 1.2 meter. So outer curved surface area of the roller, that is 2 pi RH. 2 into pi, value 22/7, R 0.42 into H. Now divide 0.42/7, 2 into 22 into 0.06 into 1.2. Now multiply these four numbers, equal to meter square. As it takes 500 complete revolution, so 500 complete revolutions, therefore area of the playground to complete 500 area playground to complete 500 revolutions. 500 into 3.168 meter square. Now multiply 500 with 3.168. So which is equal to 1584 meter square. Now next sum number 5. A cylindrical pillar that is 50 centimeter is diameter and 3.5 meter is height. Find the cost of painting the pillar at rupees 12.50 per meter square. So radius 25 centimeter. Height is given in meter, so change this one into meter. 0.25 meter. Height that is given in question 3.5 meter. So as you have to painting that one, so curved surface area of the pillar, the shape is cylindrical. 2 into 22 by 7 into R into H. Now multiply 2 into 22 into 0.25 into 0.5, which is meter square. Cost of painting is rupees 12.50 per meter square, that is given. So total cost of painting rupees 12.50 into 5.5. Now multiply 12.50 with 5.5. 0.7. So total cost of painting is 68 rupees 75, when per meter square is rupees 12.50. Now sum number 6. In this question, cast surface area of a right circular cylinder that is given 4.4 meter square. If the radius of the base is 0.7 meter, then you have to find the height of the cylinder. So curved surface area of the (4.4), so 2 pi r h equal to 4.4, where h is the height and r is the radius. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 0.7 into h equal to 4.4, 0.1, so 44 into 0.1 into h equal to 4.4, so h equal to 4.4 by, now when you multiply 44 with 0.1, that is also equal to 4.4. So take that one on right hand side. So 4.4 by 4.4. Therefore, height of the is 1 meter. Height of the cylinder is 1 meter.